what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on my referral link down below. You'll get $25 towards your first box. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe. And so if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so in the box you get 5 items, as well as your style card and your price sheet and a return bag in case you want to ship anything back. So I have my price sheet. We'll go over those at the end. My style card, which is right here, and my stylist is Brianna. And here it is. And let's get into the box. Okay. So the first item we have is some white jeans. These are really pretty, super cool with the hem here. It looks like a high-low. And these are mid-rise shorts, and they're white, and they have no distressing, but just some distressing at the bottom. And these are the Pistola Elena Fray hem short in white. And on the try-on, after the try-on, you'll have a picture of the item that I'm trying on, as well as the price if you would like to request it from your stylist. So I love that. So the next item we have here is a green tank. This is really adorable. Love this color. Let's see what it looks like. It looks longer, and on the back it has this really cool detail, and it has some buttons down it. Love that. And let's see what this is. This is a staccato Arlena halter top in turquoise. That looks green to me. That looks green, so I'm not sure about turquoise. All right, so next item we have is a black top. And it looks like it's V-neck in the front and V-neck in the back. And it has some crisscrossing in the back. Super cute, really nice. I like the detail. So let me bring it close so you guys can see. And this is the Thread for Thought Carrella Cotton Blend Crisscross Back Knit Top in black. Really cool, kind of like that. Next is this top here. It's really cute, pink, has some flowers on it. It's kind of short but cute at the same time. It'll look really nice with the white jeans shorts. So this is O'Neill, and this is O'Neill Mavis cami top in light pink. Pretty, I like it. Okay, next we have another tank, and this is really cool. It's a tank that has crisscross in the front. See that? Really nice. In the back, it's just plain, a little bit thicker band at the bottom here. And this is the Kayla Talassi Twist Front Tank Top in gray. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on and then come back with my final thoughts and let you know what I decided to keep. Okay, so first thing I have to say is I am in love with this outfit. The shorts are the Pistola shorts. They are adorable. I like how they're kind of like a high-low, and then they have like a little slit on the side, and they're lower in the back. And this top, so pretty, super pretty. I love it a lot. It's adorable. All it needs is a little bit of a steaming, but it's really, really, really cute. I like it a lot. And then you can see in the back it has the button detail. You can see that. It's really cute. Love this. Absolutely love this. This is what I've been asking for the whole time with my bright colors, my spring. This is it. Love it. Okay, the next is the black top. It's plain in the front which is cute. And then you turn around. Let me get the tags for you guys. Take them over to the side. There's so many tags on the stuff. And then it has the crisscross. So you can see that. Hopefully you can see it in the video. But yeah, I mean, this is cute. You can just wear this with regular jeans as well, but it works well with these white shorts. Looking good so far. Okay, next we have the O'Neill top. The only thing I don't like about it is it's kind of open here, and I don't like to show off like a ton of stuff. But otherwise, I like it. It looks good with the shorts. You can wear this with jeans too. But yeah, I mean, totally adorable. This is the pattern on it. Cute. Just need a little bit more of a tan. But otherwise, I like it. Okay, last but not least is this top. Total winner. Like it, love it. It fits super nice, perfect, adorable, cute, everything. The knot is awesome. It lays perfectly. It looks great with these shorts. It lays nice on the back. Love the knot in the front. It's super lightweight for the summer. Love it. And I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts and we can go over prices. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's go over prices and then I'll let you know what I decided to keep. I just want to let you guys know, I think this box was amazing, like super awesome, totally what I wanted. She listened to everything that I said and I am so happy. So the first item, let's go over this twist knot front tank that I have on here. This is $32, total keeper, worth it, keeping it. Okay, next I have on the white Pistola shorts, and those are the most expensive thing in there, but they're not bad. They're only $58, and I thought that's a pretty good deal. Next is the O'Neill top. This was cute. It was a little short, but I thought it would be really nice in the summer. This was $38. If my kids don't steal this from me, I think this is cute. They probably will. This top right here, the black top, staccato. No, this is not staccato. This is Threads for Thought, and this one's $44. This is kind of pricey for this top, but I'll wear it to work, so it's not bad. Next, this green top, which I absolutely love. Absolutely love this. This is staccato and $36. Awesome. Total for the box, $208, buy 05 discount, $52, $156 sold. Buying everything, love it. Exactly what I was looking for. If you're new here, thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. And I do all kinds of unboxing videos. Comment below if there's any other unboxings that you want to see. I'll be happy to do them. I have some really awesome partnerships coming and items coming in for me to do reviews on, so I'm super excited for you guys. So keep on watching. Thanks guys. Bye bye.